Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to merge cells on Microsoft Excel. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to merge cells on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document. Now the first method is very simple. At first select your required cells that you want to merge. Then click on Home, and on the alignment option you can find merge and center. Then just click here and it's done. You can see your cells are merged now. If you want to unmerge it, just click here again, then click on unmerge cells and it's unmerged again. Now the second method is also very simple. At first select your required cells again, then press and hold your Alt key, then click on H key just one time, then click on M key double time, and it's merged successfully. And that is how you can merge cells on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.